How to write 5.375 as a mixed number in simplest form? Mixed number means, look at here, we will have a whole number part, then p by q form, that is fractional part. Look, we can rewrite this decimal as 5 plus 375. This is whole number part A, and we need to convert this decimal to fraction like this. So how to convert? So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, skip the decimal, write the number you are getting, and for denominator, for every digit after decimal you have to consider 10. That is 3 digits we have, so write 310, of course, as a multiplication. Now you need to reduce this fraction. If you want to reduce this fraction in one step, then you need to find out the greatest common divisor of numerator and denominator. Then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common divisor. But if you want to simplify this fraction in multiple steps, then you need to just divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, so 5 is the common factor. This is divisible by 5 because last digit is 5, this is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 0. So I will get 2 here, and I will get what? 5 goes into 37 how many times? 7 times. 5 times 7, 35, subtract 2, 25. 5 goes into 25 5 times. So we are getting 75. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. I'll get 2. I'll get what? 5 goes into 7 one time, then 1 time 5, 5, subtract 2, 25. That is 5 times. Again, this is divisible by 5, we'll get 3. This is divisible by 5, we'll get 2. So basically, we are getting 3 over 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. Now combine 5 and 3, 8. So this is the mixed number for this decimal number.